In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download free app from Mad Scientist developer. When you're ready, open it, hit consent in the pop-up, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then to access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and manage all of those however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!